uma ukhulele esontweni njengami indoda emadloti angitati so not ukuthi ngiyawanyatha whatever but I don't have information about them that's why angitsonzeti ko because angikwadi angithi angikaze ngingaba exposed to that so even those abakhulele emadlotini Christianity they've got no idea what's happening in church so now baba nalokuthi ay masindiswa kumbe ay bantu laba believela ama Christians and what not yabo so it's because we lack knowledge nama I don't know about them they also don't know about me so I just want to be the center of that and I decided you know what I need to learn why is this person believing in this thing so much what is it that I don't know about the other culture that that we don't have with this side so let me just say I'm neutral I'm trying to find information from both sides and also respect to other people they just don't think God is there because of what is happening and I fully understand I also sometimes feel and it's normal because of what is happening around us so why not